Geotechnical investigation services play a crucial role in the construction industry, especially in a rapidly developing region like Noida Sector 62. These services involve the study and analysis of soil and rock properties to determine their suitability for various construction projects. The geotechnical investigation helps in assessing the stability and load-bearing capacity of the soil, which is essential for designing safe and efficient structures. In Noida Sector 62, where there is a significant amount of construction activity, geotechnical investigation services are in high demand. Noida Sector 62 is witnessing rapid urbanization and infrastructure development, with numerous residential, commercial, and industrial projects coming up. Geotechnical investigation services are essential in this context to ensure that the foundations of these structures are strong and stable. The soil conditions in Noida Sector 62 vary, and it is crucial to conduct thorough investigations to understand the properties of the soil and its behavior under different loads. This information helps in determining the appropriate foundation design for a particular project. The geotechnical investigation services in Noida Sector 62 include various tests and studies such as soil sampling, laboratory testing, field testing, and analysis of the data collected. The soil samples are collected from different depths and locations to get a comprehensive understanding of the soil profile. These samples are then tested in the laboratory to determine their physical and mechanical properties. Field tests such as standard penetration test, SPT, plate load test, and cone penetration test, CPT, are also conducted to assess the soil's shear strength, compressibility, and permeability. The design may involve considerations such as the type of foundation, shallow or deep, the depth of foundation, reinforcement requirements, and slope stability analysis. Particularly in a location like Noida Sector 62 that is developing quickly, geotechnical investigation services are essential to the construction sector. These services entail the investigation and evaluation of soil and rock characteristics to ascertain their applicability for particular building projects. For the purpose of constructing secure and effective structures, the stability and load-bearing capacity of the soil must be evaluated with the aid of a geotechnical investigation. Geotechnical investigation services are in high demand in Noida Sector 62, where there is a substantial amount of construction activity. With several residential, commercial, and industrial developments in development, Noida Sector 62 is undergoing a rapid urbanization and infrastructure development. To guarantee the stability and strength of these structures' foundations, geotechnical investigation services are crucial. The soil conditions in Noida Sector 62 vary, therefore it's important to carry out in-depth